If you are in this position where you're thinking, yeah, I just want to push for growth, you've got to remember one key thing. You will only grow as fast as your biggest bottleneck. Now, that bottleneck right now could be recruitment, for example, or it could be cash flow in the business because of the cost of living increase, or, more often than not, it's the cleaning company owner themselves. If you want to speed up your growth, just check into where your biggest bottleneck is. What is it that is the bottleneck? Where would things start to unravel that would cause the growth to slow down? Like I mentioned earlier, could it be recruitment? Could it be cash flow? Could it be you? But you will only grow as fast as your biggest bottleneck. So be mindful of that. If you feel like you're growing slowly, there's probably a bottleneck somewhere. So make sure you have a think about it. What's slowing down our growth? What is it that's causing the problem? Check into it and see how you can remove it. If you find that, look, I really don't know how to remove this bottleneck, I just don't understand how to do it, give me a message. This is something I do with a lot of cleaning companies. Bottleneck removal is one of the key things that I do when we're building systems and pushing for growth. So even if it's just to bounce some ideas off of me or to see if and how I can help, drop me a message, explain to me what it is that you're going through, and I'll offer any support that I can. And I can also give you some information about what it is that I do and what I can offer you on a more long-term basis. But if you're struggling with bottlenecks, just be aware of that. You are only going to grow as fast as your biggest bottleneck.